For over half a century, LATICRETE has been the name architects, contractors, and engineers turn to for their waterproofing and anti-fracture needs. After all, LATICRETE invented the industry's first thin, load-bearing waterproofing anti-fracture membrane for tile and stone installations. This unmatched history of success and experience has culminated in another LATICRETE breakthrough innovation called Hydro Ban. Hydro Ban offers the highest level of performance available with exclusive features that allow faster and easier waterproofing installations. Designed for commercial or residential, interior or exterior installations, Hydro Ban is the only choice for waterproofing pools, fountains, floors, and virtually any installation requiring waterproofing. Prevent problems such as water damage, decay, rot, mildew, and mold with a simple fabric-free waterproofing membrane. Hydro Ban offers exclusive features not found in any other waterproofing membranes. Key features include: does not require the use of fabric for voids or gaps less than 1/8 inch, allows for flood testing in just 2 hours at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or higher and 50% relative humidity, bonds directly to metal and plastic plumbing fixtures, meets ANSI A118.10 and A118.12, offers anti-fracture performance up to 1/8 of an inch, approved by IAPMO and ICC-ES for use as a shower pan liner, has an extra heavy service rating per TCNA performance levels and ASTM C627 Robinson floor testing, equipped with antimicrobial product protection, low odor and fast curing, cleans up easily with water. In addition to these exclusive features, Hydro Ban is backed by the industry's best warranty, providing you peace of mind, and our guarantee of a successful installation. As with any waterproofing installation, proper surface preparation is essential. All surfaces should be structurally sound, clean, and free of all dirt, oil, grease, paint, concrete sealers, or curing compounds. In addition, surface temperature should be above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. To ensure a clean surface, sweep or vacuum and then wash the substrate with a damp clean sponge prior to waterproofing. Shot blast any concrete substrates containing curing agents or sealers prior to installation to ensure proper bond. If bonding over steel, copper, or other plumbing fixtures, be sure to sand and thoroughly clean the surface to ensure a proper bond. Installation of Hydro Ban is fast and easy with several different application methods. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools for the installation, such as a basic nap paint roller and a standard paintbrush for the covers, corners, and any penetrations. Hydro Ban allows for direct application over cracks or voids less than 1/8 inch. For larger joints and floor wall transitions, pipe penetrations, and drains, fill with a rapid setting thin set mortar or embed 6-inch LATICRETE waterproofing anti-fracture fabric into the Hydro Ban at the coves or joint areas. If using a rapid setting mortar to fill large voids over 1/8 inch, ensure the material is dried thoroughly prior to installation of Hydro Ban and that all cracks, joints, coves, and transitions are flush with the surrounding substrate. Once all voids are treated properly, installation of Hydro Ban can be applied easily with a paint roller, brush, V-notch trowel, or an airless sprayer. For airless spraying, see Technical Data Sheet 410. Begin by applying the first coat of Hydro Ban to the coves, corners, cracks, pipe penetrations, and around drains. However, use only enough to fill or cover the substrate. There is no need to over-apply. Note, cold joints or expansion joints can be filled using a brush or trowel with Hydro Ban prior to the main application. Do not use mortar or a patch on expansion joints. After the coves, corners, and any drains or penetrations are treated, application of the field can be done quickly and easily. Roll Hydro Ban onto the field areas using a standard nap roller with extension handle for fast, effortless application. Be sure to apply evenly over the entire substrate. If application with a trowel is desired, begin by using the notched side of the trowel first, then flatten the ridges using the flat side, being careful not to apply enough pressure to scrape down to the substrate. When the first coat is dry to the touch, apply a second coat in the same fashion as the first coat. Hydro Ban is equipped with a dry color indicator. You'll know it's dry when the color changes to a darker olive green. Note that colder air and substrate temperatures, or high humidity, will prolong drying times. Low substrate and the ambient room temperature will slow down the cure, so be sure to check the color to ensure that the Hydro Ban is fully dried prior to application of the second coat. After the second coat is applied, Hydro Ban will be dry enough for foot traffic in 2 hours when cured at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or higher and 50% relative humidity. Before flood testing, again ensure that the material is fully cured. Hydro Ban should be one consistent dark color throughout, especially in coves and corners. Hydro Ban can be flood tested in 2 hours if installed at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or higher and 50% relative humidity. Allow for longer curing prior to flood testing for installations in low air or surface temperature and/or high humidity areas. For temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 69 degrees Fahrenheit with a relative humidity up to 70%, flood testing can be performed 24 hours after the second coat has turned to a uniform olive green color. When ready for the installation of tile or stone, simply apply a LATICRETE thin or medium bed mortar on walls, floors, and ceilings, or use a conventional full bed mortar on floors directly over LATICRETE Hydro Ban. Hydro Ban is available in 2 ready-to-use pail sizes, a 5-gallon commercial unit, which covers 250 square feet, and a 1-gallon mini unit, which covers 50 square feet. Hydro Ban offers the highest level of waterproofing and anti-fracture performance available. Speed, ease of use, 2-hour flood testing, and backed by a comprehensive system warranty, Hydro Ban sets the standard for waterproofing membranes. Always consult the Hydro Ban datasheet and how-to guide for complete installation instructions. Please see datasheet 663.0 and 663.5 for more comprehensive application information.